So I got a question. Has anybody been to a fresh market before? Because I have not. But I'm really curious to see what it's like inside, what their shelves look like, and also what their prices look like. But if you've got one near you or if you've been to one before, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about fresh market.
That mushroom looks like it needs to be cleaned a little bit, but I kind of want one of these veggie pizzas for $5.
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
So that's $10. Oh yeah, so they're at $5. Your kid.
Okay, so that concludes my first trip to the fresh market, and I got a few things here that I'm going to take home. I'm actually going to extend this video because not only was I curious about fresh market, what they had, their inventory and prices, and whatever food shortages they could have possibly had. I'm now, after walking it, I'm actually now curious as to how good this food really is. And to me, it seems like fresh market is, maybe I just picked the wrong shopping cart. I got the smaller shopping cart instead of the bigger one. But the store itself is small, so it doesn't really allow space to be moving the big cart around. But to me, it seems like this place is really more of a, you're gonna come and pick up a meal. You might pick up two, but it doesn't seem like the type of store to go grocery shopping for, you know, for like the family. It seems like everybody here was like picking up dinner. It's almost 6 o'clock right now, I think, on a Thursday afternoon. And I think it looked like people were just coming in, picking up onesie, twosie for dinner. Hang on, let me open this. So to me, it just doesn't seem like somewhere you really want to do grocery shopping. And that's based on the size of the store, the size of the cart, and I mean, shoot, look at this, look at this. That's what I got. I got 3 bags. I really got 2 bags, but he wanted to put the bread in a separate bag so it didn't get messed up. And it was $78.83 for these 3 bags. I got some burgers I really want to try. They look really good. And we got some sushi and some pizzas. And my kid, she got sushi too. So now I want to taste this food to see if it's worth this money. So stay tuned. What'd you get?
Sushi.
What kind?
Salmon.
Salmon?
Yeah, it has salmon in it. See if I can drop.
You think it's going to be better than Publix where you normally get your sushi?
Probably because they seem to have more fresh food.
But Publix has got good sushi.
Yeah, well, their stuff sits there all day.
How about when you get sushi from Sprouts?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
You think, now last one, how do you think it'll compare to Nico Nico?
Nico Nico will always be top 10, always. Or top, number one. Sorry, I'm eating cheese.
This burger tastes